Okay, so that's our template. So now we're going to build a page based on this template. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to open up the file directory, which is where we started. I'm still in my templates folder, so I'm going to come out of that by clicking this button here. We already have one page called index, so I'm just going to build another page, and I'm going to do that by clicking New, and we'll call it Cars. That seems to be the theme I've created here, and I click that Select button, and I click on the basic template there, and then I click Select. As you can see, it's put Basic there. So I'm creating a page called Cars, and I'm using the template called Basic. So I'll click Create. Okay, so that's our page. Now, what we did earlier in the template should come clear. We've built a page which has taken on all the attributes set in the template earlier, including the Joe's Cars logo, this background, and this kind of grey fade that's going on the site contents. Now, this is all in the template, so if I click on it, it won't let me edit it because it's locked. I could unlock the template by going and clicking this button here, or I could go into the template and I could edit the elements to make them editable. So when I'm creating a page and playing with that page, some of the parts of the template are editable. I could do stuff to them, move them around, and etc. Okay, I'm not going to do that now. What I'm going to do now is bring in a text box into the page. So I'm going to click this T button here, and it's put a text element here. Now, if I want to move the text element, I can left click and drag the text element around the page, or I can left click over these white boxes and I can stretch the text element too. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some generic text in the page, put into the text box. So I click this T button to open up the text editor, and I'm going to use the lorem ipsum function here to just put in some random text. So I click that, and it will populate my text box with some random Latin text. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it off with Cars. Seems to be the title of the page. I've just scrolled over that, by the way, and made it bold. I can make it italic, I can make it underlined. This works very much like a normal text editor. So now I'm happy with that. I'm just going to click Apply, and as you can see, it's put the text in the text box, and I can now move it around the page like so. Okay, so now I'm happy with my page. I've got my text in there. I'm going to click this Save button here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you build a page. So I can left click, drag things around. I can bring more elements into my page. In the next demonstration, I'm going to show you how to bring an image into your page. But otherwise, for now, all we need to do is click Save to make sure we don't lose any of the work we've done. Okay, pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.